Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an authorization letter. What is an authorization letter? An authorization letter is a letter written to permit or put someone else in charge of performing an act in your absence. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an authorization letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your personal information as a sender of this letter. You can start with your full name. And write your address, in this case is the apartment address. Write also the name of the apartment. And write the city, state, and zip code. Now, write the personal information about the recipient. You need to write the full name. And write the company or organization's name. In this case is for Green Valley Properties. And write the address of the office. Yes, you need to also mention the city, state, and zip code. Once you have done with you and recipient's details, write the date today. In this case is May 4, 2024. And write the subject of the letter. It is written authorization letter to claim. And now, you may open the letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs. followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself first. Here, write your name. And mention the person you want to give authority. Write what kind of authority you want to give to this person. For example, this authorization letter is about a husband named Roger wants to give his wife an authority to claim a property. So, he asked the recipient to let his wife make decisions about properties and fill and sign some documents. And you can write more details about the claim. For example, the husband also wants to give authority over documents and checks from the recipient's office. And don't forget to mention that you attached your identity proofs for the sake of validity. You may attach the copy of your ID cards or anything requested by the recipient's side. In the second paragraph, write that you have told everything what to do to the person you give authority. And mention the date, or even specifically the time when the person will come to the recipient's office. and write the order that you want the recipient to give full access to the mentioned points above. Don't forget to give your personal contact information for the recipient to get in touch with you for the sake of confirmation. You can give your phone number here. Close the letter with "Thank you." Write "Sincerely" or "Respectfully yours" or "Best regards." Give your signature, and write your full name. So, that's all how you write an authorization letter to claim a property step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you.